Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out here at Foothills MX and I actually got the entire track to myself, so that's pretty sick. Not many people showed out today, and maybe like a few and they're already gone. I've only put in like a few motos and they're already gone, so that's pretty sick. Got the entire track, sweet view. Yeah, as you can see, I'm already geared up. My brother's here. I'm gonna get him to film some third person of me. I already took a little spill in a corner, and yeah, I guess you could say I've been rusty for the last like few weeks, but it was just a little spill. It wasn't that bad. I'll show you guys where it's at once I get on the track. It's basically a triple, and you have to shift down in the air or you're not gonna slow down in time. But yeah, it's a little bit sketchy. You have to do it absolutely perfect. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do that, and if I do go down, it'll make for some great footage. Gonna get some third person. Finally, I don't get third person that much, so thank goodness for that. I feel decent. It's probably because I went down, yeah, there's one jump that I'm still not hitting on the track. Let's see if I can zoom in. It's that double over there. It doesn't look that big from here, but yeah, I don't know, I just haven't been feeling it today. But other than that, I feel pretty good. So I'm gonna get my brother behind the camera, get some third person, and as always, get some GoPro, and yeah, I'm gonna get out there on the track. pump hadn't been that big of an issue today.
You're doing 4 consecutive, like in a row?
Huh?
You're doing like 4 in a row?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. Because I feel like the lap times aren't even that long on this track. Like the laps aren't that long.
It looks like it, but it's not.
Sketchy, man. I don't know. Wow, my hair is an absolute mess right now. This is definitely what you call helmet hair. But yeah, YouTube, I'm gonna cap it off right here. Had a pretty good day. Weather is absolutely perfect right now. Like, it has been beautiful all day, and there wasn't that many riders, which made it better, I guess. Like I said earlier, I had like pretty much the entire track to myself. Yeah, my brother, he took the bike out right now. He said he hasn't rode in a while, so he's just putting around on the track with no helmet, so hopefully he doesn't do anything stupid, which I do not think he will. But yeah, I'm gonna cap the video off here. If you like these kind of videos, smash that like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and yeah, if you guys have some content that you'd like to see, drop it in the comments down below, and hopefully I'll be able to get that out for you guys. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.